Energy is considered to be one of the most important resources, be it of any kind. Do you know which company has the largest revenue amidst the energy-producing companies in 2020? This could be in the form of electricity, crude, or any other form you're aware of. If you want to know the answer, make sure to stay till the end. Hello, future billionaires. Welcome to Penny Stock Lifestyle. The channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. 88 Energy Ltd, with a ticker symbol EEENF, has been on a significant run very recently. We have been noticing some pretty astounding success for this company, and it is imperative for us and you to know the cause for the same. In today's video, we will look at what this company does and the potential reason for this astounding success. We will speak a lot of its operations, which is the primary reason for the remarkable increase shown by EEENF. So, make sure you hit the like button as we tell you more about it. We have seen more than a 600% increase in this stock share value, and the same will continue to increase as we move further in time. This increase has just been throughout the last month. The percentage increase of this stock is 40 to 50% each week. That is completely crazy to be called development. 88 Energy has been roving itself to be full of energy itself very recently. Combining with the fact that they work on fuel exploration and sale of the same, you pretty much can imagine where all this energy comes from. It focuses primarily on the northern slopes of Alaska. The oil and gas business can never be down, until at least Tesla and other EVs become affordable and owned by a minimum of over X% of people across the globe. The oil prices are growing tremendously at the moment. As the demand for oil increases throughout the world for various purposes, the need for efficient technology has also been rising. 88 Energy Ltd noticed this, and they also started working upon the same. We saw a very steep drop in crude oil prices, around a minus 25%, throughout the crude market in April 2020. However, we also have been recovering from the big downfall since then. The recovery has been substantially well and has touched new heights in recent times. The highest point that it could touch was at the $66 range in March 2021, almost a year after the drop in prices of April 2020. This is one reason why we have been noticing a few oil companies growing in size and goodwill through this recovery. With a concentric development strategy, this company strives to successfully explore and produce enough to deliver material benefits to its shareholders. The aim here is to develop the area where it is established and reward the shareholders through the same material. It utilizes a unique way of getting things done quicker. 88 Energy uses small teams that will move across various fields in the shortest time possible. They will be deployed in the quickest manner possible to ensure that they seize every opportunity that drops by. This prevents the more prominent players from moving in, as this small team would have already capitalized on the spot. They also consider the socio-political scenarios and the cultural sensitivity of that area to ensure that they preserve the culture around the company. This also helps them get into the good books of the localities and gain good cooperation from them to ensure an efficient working environment. The company has three main projects. These are Project Peregrine, Project Icewine, and Yukon Leases. Starting with the Project Icewine, with a massive 260,000 acres of land for working and digging into, this is a large project for 88 Energy Ltd. It has been a little dormant recently, with no news coming up lately, even though no downs in processes and productions were reported anywhere in the recent past. With an already existing 7 to 10 years of leasehold, this project has its place secured for a long time coming ahead. It is at a 78% working interest, which is a very good number compared to other companies in the same field. They also receive a 16.5% royalty and are located close to the central infrastructure, easing the access and control for all major activities. To conclude about Project Icewine, we do not expect this project to shine and rise substantially in the near future because of the fact that we mentioned earlier about no new events happening with the same. The Project Peregrine is spread across 195 1,000 acres of land. This is the most efficient and the best project, according to us, that this company has. They took over the project very recently over an off-market deal. The company that EEENF took over was Energy Ltd. A $10 million farm followed this, out of which the drilling commenced about a month later. Moving into Yukon Energy, 88 Energy calls this to be a low-cost opportunistic acquisition. Given that 88 Energy is still not among the significant oil players and is still working upon the more minor contracts with very few major or big ones, the acquisition being spoken of here would be an opportunity for them. The Yukon Leases is located to the northeast of the other two projects and is comparatively smaller in size than the others. It comprises 15,312 acres of oil discovery situated within these said premises. They claim that they estimate the total amount of resources present to be around 90 million barrels. EEENF declared this through a 3D seismic scan. Very recently, they also announced that they have located hydrocarbon-bearing zones and also brought out a significant spike in their market value earlier this week. They are targeting a massive 645 million barrels of gross mean perspectives, according to the sources. This is a subsequent part of Project Peregrine, and this is why this project is one of the most talked about projects among all others in this space. Adding on to their achievements, 88 Energy Ltd also announced a wire logging program at the Merlin 1. This also comes under the Project Peregrine. The project, according to the articles, is currently underway. The results of the same are expected to be out over the coming weekend. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel to get updates regarding the same. Also, make sure you like this video if you haven't already. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on the video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now. Now, Merlin 1 was followed by a second project that will be called Harrier 1. This will be drilled sometime in the next year, with gross mean prospective resources of about 417 million barrels. The numbers here are pretty astounding and add up to a vast number that could bring 88 Energy to a level like any other company at its current level. This also forms the reason for the recent hype, and also the reason why it is being spoken and being regarded in almost all the talks related to crude and oil. Once they achieve these set targets, the name that it has right now of being among smaller companies will undoubtedly fade away. This turn of events will make 88 Energy Ltd one of the biggest companies in the league and make them stand out among the other competitors, given the range of success they've had very recently. Now, coming back to the question we asked you in the beginning, that is the company that has made the largest revenue in 2020. The answer to that is ENEL. This company started in Italy and since then has spread across 30 countries throughout the globe. It has an aim to create a more sustainable form of energy to ensure that we survive forever and make sure that climate change, which is a real thing right now, turns into a myth in the near future. With this positive note, we come to the end of this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Comment your favorite billionaire in the comments below and let us know what inspires you about them. Also, comment down below if you want to add anything to these videos. Until next time, keep developing.